Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see what are device actions in Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Let me share a brief introduction with you about the topic that we are going to cover in this video. Well, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint provides the remote capability to contain devices and collect forensics data. The live response feature would allow you for a restricted remote access shell on the device. Let's say you are a SOC analyst working at a company that has implemented Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, and your primary job is to remediate incidents. You are assigned an incident with alerts related to suspicious PowerShell command line. You start by reviewing the incident and understand all the related alerts, devices, and evidence. You will open up the alert page, review the alert story, and decide to perform further analysis on the device. Then you open the device page and then decide that you need remote access to the device to run a custom PowerShell script to collect more forensic information. You initiate a live response session from the device page and execute a PowerShell script from your script library. Then you can download the file for use with forensics tools. After reviewing the forensics data, you perform the device isolation action from the device page. Now I will explain you in detail the device action. So let me log on to the portal then. You'll see my device. This is the device that is on my portal which is infected. So if I log on to this device, I've already ran the malicious doc here so that this can be infected. And if you would see the alerts corresponding to this device, you'll see those alerts as well. Multi-stage incidents. Now I go to my devices. This is my device inventory, and this is one of my devices which is infected. Alright, so when investigating a device, we can perform actions, collect data, or remotely access the machine. We can do isolation of that device, we can restrict app execution, we can run antivirus scan, and we can perform the following investigation. We can initiate automated investigation, we can collect investigation package, we can initiate live response. So depending on the severity of the attack and the sensitivity of the device, you might want to isolate the device from the network. This action can help prevent the attacker from controlling the compromised device and performing further activities such as data exfiltration and lateral movement. And for the restrict app execution, in addition to containing an attack by stopping malicious process, we can also lock down a device and prevent subsequent attempts to potentially malicious programs from running. This action is available for devices on Windows 10 version 1709 or later. You'll be able to reverse the restriction of applications from running at any time. The button on the device page will change to say remove app restrictions. Okay. And how do you run Microsoft Defender antivirus scan on the devices? So as part of the investigation or the response process, you can remotely initiate an antivirus scan to help identify and remediate malware that might be present on the compromised device. And you can start a new general purpose automated investigation on the device if needed. While an investigation is running, any other alert generated from the device will be added to an ongoing automated investigation until that investigation is completed. And you can also collect investigation packages from the device as well. So if you see, if you would have the prod environment, when you will come on the device, right, and you investigate, you will have an option to collect investigation package, right, on the device page. And you will see a zip file downloaded. And or you can go to Action Center. Here of the device page, if the Action Center flyout, select and you can select the package collections. There are some auto runs program which contain set of files that each represent the content of the registry of a known auto start entry point. This will take time. I'll go to my devices again. This is my device. I will scroll down, gives you the information of the scans. See, if you would see this option, you can isolate a device. I'm showing you all the options, right? You can restrict the app execution. You can run the antivirus scan. You can report device inaccuracy, or you collect the investigation package. If you click on here, collect the investigation package, you will see a reason. You will mention investigate, and then you will click on confirm. You will get a zip file downloaded. See, package collection pending, package collection submitted, investigate by my ID. It should be connected to a network because I'm in the work group in the isolated environment. Sorry, in the separate environment or a work group. My machine is not joined to a domain. You will see this option. And if you want to restrict the app execution, see, this action will prevent applications that are not signed by Microsoft from running. Any third-party app that is running which is not signed by Microsoft will stop running. You want to run the antivirus scan, quick scan, click on confirm. But this is where you do it. Okay, you can have a CSV file that contains the list of installed programs. Okay, can do that from, not getting an option, but initiate automated investigation. Okay, it has successfully created the automated investigation on this device, and many other options that you can do. And when you put the list of through the auto runs, when you get the list of installed programs, it will give you the network connection information, prefetch files which are designed to speed up the application startup process. There are the list of processes, listing the running processes on the machine, scheduled tasks, security event log, services, SMB sessions, system information, temporary directories, summary and report. Right, and if you want to initiate a live response session which provides security operation team instantaneous access to a device using a remote shell connection to do the in-depth investigation and take immediate response actions to promptly contain identified threats. Right, and then you can run the commands, basic commands that you run on the command prompt, or the advanced commands which use analyze, get file, library, remediate. So if I see initiate the live response session here, you see an option, click on it. It will start the live response session, and then you can run the commands that you want to do. If you're not able to log on to machine, you can do it from here. Alright, so this is what I wanted to cover on the performing actions on a device using Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. And if you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.